Hi, welcome to How Tech. Today we are talking about something that can happen to anyone online, no matter how smart or careful you are. It's called phishing. And no, it has nothing to do with fishing rods or lakes. Phishing, spelled with a PH instead of an F, is a type of scam. It's when someone tries to trick you into giving away your personal information, like your passwords, credit card numbers, or even your identity. These scammers pretend to be someone you trust. They might look like your bank, your email provider, or even a company like Amazon or Netflix. They send you messages, often by email or text, that seem real but are fake. That's the trap. Let me give you an example. You might get an email that says, "Dear customer, your account has been locked due to suspicious activity. Please click this link to confirm your identity." And when you click it, you're taken to a page that looks exactly like your bank's website. But it's not. It's a fake. And when you type in your details, you're sending them straight to the scammer. Scary, isn't it? But don't worry. I'm going to walk you through how to spot these scams and how to protect yourself. First, let's talk about the signs of a phishing message. Look out for urgency. Phishing messages often try to scare you. They say things like your account will be closed or you've won a prize and need to act fast. That pressure is a red flag. Second, check the sender's email address. It might say it's from your bank, but if you look closely, the email could be something strange like support 123, or the domain name, the bit after the @ symbol, will not look legitimate. Real companies use official email addresses. Third, don't click on links if you're not sure. If an email or text looks suspicious, go directly to the company's website by typing it into your browser yourself. Don't trust the link inside the message. Also, be careful with attachments. Phishing emails can include files that install malware on your device. That's a type of malicious software that can steal your data or damage your system. Now let's talk about protecting yourself. Always use strong passwords. A strong password is long, includes a mix of letters, numbers and symbols, and is not based on your birthday or pet's name. Even better, use a password manager to generate and remember them for you. Next, turn on two-factor authentication or 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security to your accounts. Even if someone gets your password, they won't be able to log in without a code sent to your phone or email. Keep your software and antivirus up to date. Updates often include security fixes that protect you from the latest scams. And remember, no real company will ask for your password or credit card number in an email or text. If something feels off, it probably is. Trust your gut. Phishing is common and it's getting more convincing every day. But now you know what to look for. And just by watching this video, you're already one step ahead. Thank you for being here today on How Tech Works. If this helped you feel more confident and secure online, please give the video a like and share it with someone else who might need to hear this. We're here to help make technology feel less overwhelming and more empowering. See you next time.